it might be multiplied by 3, it might be multiplied by 4. But in terms of your valuation, all that these buyers are paying for is X amount of years of this EBITDA you'll be paid up front. So if your EBITDA, let's say it's £500,000 and you work in a specific industry. Remember, your valuations go up if your industry that you currently have your business in has a greater moat, right, or higher barrier of entry. Those businesses would typically be valued more. And why would it be valued more? Simply because the room for competition to come in is very slim because it's so difficult. There's legislation, there's so much capital investments that take place. So we typically work with industrial businesses because we have industrial experts that we can, work with and just pull on in any case, because we prepare businesses for sale. If you're in another sector, we can always bring another expert to come in to support the process. But let's say you are in precision engineering, right? And let's say you're CNC machining and you're not just general manufacturing, right? You might be in CNC machining, you might be in PCBs, but it's very, very, very specific, okay? Your business will typically be a lot more valuable than a business that's in general manufacturing, that any Tom or Harry can literally come in there, buy one little equipment and start competing against you. So if it's a greater barrier of entry, there, you know, there are more people that are willing to pay a higher multiple for your business. So if I click general engineering, you can see that the valuations go lower. If I click precision engineering, it goes a little bit higher. So this is a dynamic tool that we've designed for you. So if you could open this alongside us and and you're working as I'm explaining, that would be really, really good if you've got your phone or your laptop next to you. So your staff size, if your staff count, let's say it's 200, plus, of course, it has to make sense with the numbers that you currently have. It does affect the value of your business simply because a bigger business is a lot more valuable, simply because a bigger business has a lower chance of failure. It doesn't mean it wouldn't fail. It's just that it has a lot more tools and access to resources that a small business might not. And those tools could be loans. Those two could be interest of investors, right? So as a bigger business is a lot more attractive. But for these numbers' sake, let's say your business that's doing £5 million in revenue, £500,000 in EBITDA has a headcount between 11 and 50.